The point of the Quran, the purpose of the Quran is not to say these people are good and these people are bad. That is not the purpose of the Quran. In fact, the Quran doesn't condemn human beings. The Quran doesn't even condemn Pharaoh. Pharaoh can make tawbah. Even he, Musa alayhi salam, he was told, you can go to him and maybe he will remember لَعَلَّهُ يَتَذَكَّرُ وَهُوَ يَخْشَى. The Quran is not interested in damning a nation or damning the people, but the Quran is interested when it brings somebody to trial, just like on Judgment Day. It's not just you're thrown into Jannah or thrown into Jahannam. Here's where you failed. Here's what happened, you see. There is a review of what you and I did. The same way Allah does a historical reviews of what this nation did. Where did they fail and what? And as a result of those failures, what happened now? This is an important point of departure. Muslims generally should understand these things. I don't think we talk about them enough, but Allah says we will test you, a day for you, a day against you. If you are healthy, your health will never ever remain forever. If you are alive, your life won't remain forever in this world. You have to go somewhere else. Similarly, if you are a person who has a wealth, you are not going to remain rich forever. You have a job, it's not going to remain forever. Allah says we will have to change the days. The days, Allah rotates them around for the people. A day you win, a day you lose. A day you gain, a day you lose. And so on. Why it is a test? When Allah says, I have created you to test you. Wallahi, when you mature a little bit and you think about it, it is absolutely true.